I'm afraid we're gonna have to leave some stuff behind for weight. So I'm taking one pistol, no silencers.
I'm taking a pistol. Taylor's taking a pistol.
We're gonna have to let the toys stay behind.
Alright guys, so we are back and look who's back.
Hi, I'm Sina. I was here last year. This time I'm 17, not 16 anymore. Brought my brother with me.
Yeah, so I'm Timo, I'm Sina's brother. I'm 15 and last year I was kind of jealous that Sina got to do all of the stuff, so now I'm here this year.
Well, that's a big one, isn't it?
Surprise! You know I can stuff things.
Parker Man, looking sharp.
What's up, buddy? Say what's up, Zach. Say thanks for coming to take our picture.
Oh yeah,
We don't like pictures, but we're gonna do it for mommy, aren't we?
Gotta do it for mom.
What did you get today? New SS, new skid steer.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Say it's got a broom attachment. It's got all the attachments.
Oh yeah.
No grapple bucket. You already have a grapple, don't you? You lost your grapple? Oh, so we're gonna get a new grapple? So we're gonna load a good friend with some hay. It's actually where I bought Brad's new truck from. Then we're gonna go down the road to the Smith Berry Farm, and this is where the strawberries are. This is where the sunflowers are, and the pumpkins, and lemonade. Parker. You what, bud? And you? What about you? Alright, hopefully I still have the spear on the tractor. Looks like I do. Here we go. We promised Mama we're not going to get dirty before pictures. We got to load 3 bales of hay. Farm life never ends.
What you got there, Parker Man? Hold it up.
Big money, spread it out.
Oh yeah, big baller.
Big money. Is that skid steer money?
Oh yeah.
Grapple bucket money. Yeah, that's what you get for working. Hard work. You want me to carry it for you? Alright, I'll put it in your safe when we get home, okay? Alright, let's go.
That's side by side freaking scoots, dude. We're going like 50.
So this place goes from strawberries to pumpkins to sunflowers to hay, cattle, what all does all do? That's pretty much it, I think. Year-round seasonally.
I can't believe they don't charge to have people come out here.
So when you go over here, like the lemonade and that stuff, we charge. So we've always tried to help Bobby and support him.
For sure. No, this is great.
Let me bring the big tractor once again. Yeah, this is basically Old Blue.
It's Old Blue, your first tractor or
Started with
something?
Old Blue tractor, yeah. That's pretty much how it started. So we can get behind it. It's fun.
So what all do you guys typically do in the mornings?
So in the mornings, we normally will replace shavings that we took out the night before. We'll feed all the horses and then we'll bring them up.
Okay.
But with yesterday's rain, all the stalls are pretty wet, so we need to replace all the shavings that are in these stalls.
Makes sense. Seems like a hard working day for sure.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry guys, just show up when you can here.
This is Robin's, which is going to be, there's the Savvy, empty stalls, and Robin. This is Gus.
Morning. We got something. Alright guys, so we're out here filming on the ranch. Ran into some of our McKinley brethren. Stuck in the mud. Apparently we had some pretty bad rain last night. We're working on that pond up there. I know if you've following our ranch page, you've seen one of our previous videos on it. We're getting pretty close, but we're up here to dump some loads and we're stuck in. So right now we have Dudley. He's running way back there. He's gonna grab the dozer and we're gonna see if we can get it out. You got it moving. Oh no, this is epic stuff. You look like you know what you're doing. First problem of the day has been solved, baby. That's how we do it. Good job, Dudley's never ran a bulldozer before, was able to hop in there, get that thing going. We almost had a mix-up. Paul was giving a little gas, and once it finally got traction, it shot back, almost ran into the back of the dozer, but it no contact or anything, but good job.
A good thing we have a big plane, Zach. we are maxing out the space. I think we're good on weight, but we're definitely gonna be full.
I'm excited to see it, man.
You never seen the new plane?
Have not seen it.
All right, let's put that cooler in that car as usual. Then I'll explain to you what we're doing. Hey Hunter, go for Joe. You're on it, working.
So where y'all going today?
Oshkosh, Wisconsin.
Okay.
AA Air Venture. Packing the plane full, 7 people. We've done the weight and balance on all our gear. Weight will work. We're just not sure about space, so it's going to be interesting.
Got a couple experts though. We'll be all right.
We'll be all right. We've done it a couple times. We're excited. This is where we're going, right here. 2 years ago, this shirt.
Okay, nice.
We're excited. Keep them on time.
Little Mason man, Super Mason.
There it is.
Yeah, but you broke your dozer. So Parker got a brand new dozer this morning. Notice it's trackless. It made it all of 15 minutes and the track's broke. So far we're not having a good John Deere experience, are we? No. We got 2 down machines that need undercarriages. But that one's working good. All right, so here's what we're doing. We got Austin, we got Taylor, Sina and Timo are gonna go see us off. Josh and his 2 kids, 2 of his kids, Finn and Lila, both going with us, and Parker. So quite a few of us. There's 3 kids and 4 adults. 10-seat plane, so you think we'd be good. Our rule was if it fits in the truck, we're definitely good. The problem is it doesn't fit in the truck. We had to use Zena's back of her car. So watching all this going to this plane is gonna be kind of funny. We did our weight and balance, we're good. We're double checking all of our gear. We should have about 400 pounds, give or take. Air Venture, Oshkosh 2023, the beginning for us. 23, am I right? 23. First time Parker's been, we skipped last. Yes, you still got that one. You gonna grab trees? So Parker's never been. We skipped last year. We went 2 years ago. Josh, Taylor, myself. I'll throw the pictures on that. But we flew the Mirage, and you flew your Bonanza. And now we're all fitting in one plane. And at that time, Austin was not flying big jets for airliners. And he said, man, I just wish I had a job flying a King Air. That'd be my ultimate job. So guess what? He's piloting the King Air today. been sitting for a month, give or take. So we grab a power cart and jump it off of that, start off of that, and we turn the AC on now. So we start getting some air moving, charge the batteries up, and we'll have a really good start.
Okay, nice.
Only way to kill these motors other than ingesting something is low power. So they basically turn air in as they add fuel.
Bringing them those bags.
If they don't turn fast enough, then they get really hot because they don't have cold air coming in.
That makes sense.
Tons of room. All right, we can add power whenever you want. Safe travels.
You know, I just stuff it.